Okay, everybody, we are in the very desirable neighborhood of Crestwood today. I am continuing my series of what X number of dollars will get you in the DFW area. The sun is in my eyes. It is a brisk afternoon here in the DFW area, literally in Fort Worth. And like I said, Crestwood edition. What we're doing today is this is a little under $1 million house, new construction. So you're kind of combining new construction with it being what can a little under $1 million can do. This is 2024 build, brand new. You can hear the construction really up and down the neighborhood. This is a very established neighborhood that has new people coming in. And what they're doing is they're just bulldozing the homes on these lots. So let's get inside. I can't wait to show you what's in there, okay? Come on, let's go. And we're walking in. You can see the cool floors. Okay, y'all, you're gonna die. This is funny. You're gonna hear, there's like a couple of smoke detectors that are beeping and chirping, all right? So there's nothing I can do about that. So I guess just enjoy the ambiance. Okay, and like I said outside, I just wanna reiterate, oh my goodness, if you like what I am doing here, please tap that button below, hit subscribe, hit the bell. You'll be the first person to get our videos as we drop them. We're doing 2 a week right now, working our way up. And you know, if you're moving in a day, if you're moving in 100 days, we're the hookup. Give us a call, give us a text, give us an email. However you gotta reach out, we're here for you. We look forward to helping you out. Me and my team, this is all we do all day long. And we love helping people just like you. And I look forward to talking to you. So here we go, starting off right in the entryway, going over here to the right. This is, I'm just gonna give a sweeping pan of what I see. This is the street out there. Unbelievable in terms of, look at it's just wide open concept. And gourmet kitchen, luxury appointments, and this is crazy nice. Love those pendant lights. Loads of storage in the kitchen, but boy, did they probably knocked out a few walls, y'all. Okay, so this is basically this is your formal dining right here. And whatever, nice chandelier, okay? And get the kitchen coming up. Okay, kitchen, look at this phenomenal long island. Gotta be 12 feet, easy. Oh, gorgeous. And marble, that's a big old slab. Okay, here's where the fridge goes. Can't have that side-by-side refrigerator freezer thing going on in here. They've cut it out for you. So that's really kind of the only, I'd say a detriment a little bit. I don't know. Love this gas stove top. You know, when I think of gas, I think that it's very important. We all need electricity and gas in our homes. Look at all of these very cool cabinetry. Lots of storage for pots and pans. Dishes up above. Nice microwave and oven. And that looks like a warmer drawer. I'm just kind of interested. No, just a drawer. No biggie. That's awesome. Okay, here we go into massive living room, everybody. Look at all of these windows. Actually, before we get to the living room here, I'm gonna take a hard right. This is your walk-in pantry slash, I'm just gonna say catch-all, because it is so big. Like, it's more than just a pantry. I mean, you could just cook and live in here. Yeah, you know, a student could. I always fall back on the student. Okay, coming out. And hitting the living room. Okay, here we are back in the living room. High ceilings, nice fan. I am not turning that on. They do not have the heat on in here, and it's about 40 degrees outside, so it is chilly in here even. Okay, again, look at all that natural light coming through. Oh, you have to love this. Whew. Like the crown molding up there, or at least the accent painting up there. Now here's your half bath right over here that is underneath the stairway. Makes sense, right? Nice sink, toilet. Virtually, this is it in terms of storage, y'all. Just this one cabinet, which is really all you need for a half bath. I like those light fixtures. Okay, and I'm gonna take a left here and kind of go through. Here is the utility hookups, washer and dryer. Gonna be side by side, right? Because you cannot stack. What you've got on top is all of those cabinets. Well, they gotta fix that sheetrock. I would be making them do that. I hate to tell you, I would make them put in a whole new piece. Sorry, should have thought about that. Like, and over here, just behind the doors, behind door number 2, all these cabinets here. This is a swell utility area, y'all. I mean, just loads of, this could even be, oh, I'm not gonna say it's a desk area, but it could double as a work area in terms of like storage for your office stuff. I'm sure we're gonna see a lot of that upstairs. Anyway, here is the patio. I'm not gonna go out there just yet. It looks like they're still putting up the fence. They're still putting up like stuff for the patio, like maybe something that the barbecue is gonna go on, but we'll get out there and look at it in a second. Ah, there you go. Could you chirp in my ear? Lord have mercy. Anyway, okay, and we're in the hallway going to, I believe this might be the primary. And this is crazy, pretty big. Nice view of the backyard. And yeah, they're still putting up the fence out there. And you can see the sod that they've put in. Don't be concerned, it'll be green come spring. It's just, right now we're talking January, so that's it. Oh, chirp. All right, here we go into the primary bath, which is a walk-in monstrosity. Double vanity, double sink here. That's probably gonna be a big fat mirror going right in there, I'm assuming. And look at this, y'all. Boy, this is a huge walk-in shower / tub area. Nice tile. The flooring is just perfect. There's standing water. That's creepy. Leftover from a movie. Leftover from, I forgot the name of that movie. Anyway, anything creepy. Nice rain shower head. And very tall. Gotta get that steam going in here. That's gonna be something to do. Golly, it's gonna take a lot of hot water. All right, here we go. Right to the right, toilet closet right in here. And coming out of the toilet closet in the primary is the primary walk-in closet. Now, this is concrete right now. It looks like, I would imagine they're gonna put carpet down for this. That's usually the way it goes. It's big, but it's not as like monstrous as I thought it would be. Loads of, got the coat rod hanging clothes and so forth, and you've got your built-in shelves for your shoes and whatnot. And of course it's symmetrical. You got it like his and hers, or if you, whatever. I shouldn't get into pronouns, but if you're living with somebody, it's for both of you. Let's just call it that. Walking back through the primary bedroom. Let's go out here. You want to? Let's just go take a gander. All right, here we are. And got me, man. This is Oh, drawers and such. Yeah, this is to get ready for, they may be putting that actually in the bedroom, and it's just out here while they like put it together and piece it together, you know. Alrighty, here's, size of the patio is not really that huge. Good enough, you know, to entertain and so forth. And look at that, they're building right next door, putting the roof on. Good Lord. But pretty decent sized backyard, y'all. Great for some big dogs. You could even put a pool back here if you got really super duper industrious, which I would. Let's go back inside. Okay, everybody, you know you've got to share. You've got to comment. I want to hear your comments on these videos, okay? Share alike. If there's anything that you want to see that I'm not doing, let me know. Like if there's any information that I'm leaving out, if there's any area that I'm leaving out, let me know, all right? And if this is your first time to the channel, just tap that button below and subscribe. Hit that bell. You'll be the first to get the videos as we drop them, okay? Keep scrolling on my channel, enjoy it, and I will talk to you soon. Get in touch. Email, text, phone, whatever you gotta do. Talk to you soon. Okay, here we go. I don't believe we came back here. This is the garage. And excuse the way it looks, but here we go. They are dumping all the trash in here. This is the way it goes when you're building, but they'll get rid of all this trash. So nice, spacious 2-car garage, very deep, and everything else looks really up to snuff. Look at all the mechanics. Got the irrigation system, you know that's gotta be new. For a house that was built in the 50s. Nice, brand new panel for all of the electrical. Gotta have that. I'm sure it's done up to code. All right, let's go back in. Okay, I'm gonna take a right. So now we're going back towards the front door and we're gonna go up the stairs and see what awaits us up the stairs, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here we go. And here we are upstairs at the landing. We stuck the landing, yay. All right, going through here, bedroom number 1. And let me turn on the light. And there we go. And you can see that, once again, natural light. There's your backyard right there. Pretty good, pretty decent size, I must say. And we are in, gosh, closet, walk-in closet over here. Pretty decent size for an ancillary bedroom. That's pretty good. And here's vanity, you know, nice mirror, and a little in the, they only have one light bulb happening over here, which is no big deal, but, and I love the tub, okay, the shower in the tub, but I love that black tile. What a smart thing to do. It looks just gorgeous. Next to the white, really stands out. Love it. Love it. Here we go. Other sink. Jack and Jill is what we call it. There needs to be a mirror up there and it's not there yet. It's okay. And there you are with your drawers. They don't have the handles yet. That's not finished, but it's quite all right, you know? And here we go. So what you can do here, again, this should be just ye old linen closet-ish-esque. Oh, it's under the house. Okay, this is fantastic. Look at this. This is storage, and I'm not going under there. That is either a door for garden gnomes or something creepy. So that's under the house and I'm not going in it. But love this. Love these built-ins. Just a ton of space to put your luggage, whatever you got. And here we go. Now this, you know, here's attic space. Oh my gosh. You know, this can be just like a sitting room up here. You could even make it a game room. Very cool. Just a fun space for the kiddos. And it. That's it. We're gonna go back downstairs now. Come on. And we're here, I think I said it outside, but we're here in the Crestwood edition of Fort Worth. We have just gone through a 4 bedroom, 4 bath. The baths are really 3.5, but we rounded up to 4. So what are you gonna do? 2 levels, 2,965 square feet, almost an acre, not quite, like really not quite, but they have built this house on it. It's a 2024 build. They just have basically finished it. We're in January. They've still got some rough stuff to do, but essentially the thing is done. And just wanted you to see it and what a new construction, new build looks like in an established neighborhood. As I'm walking around in this $1 million home, and here's the fireplace. It should be on, but it's not because it is cold outside, y'all. If you like what I'm doing here on our YouTube channel, Life in Fort Worth, Texas, I'm Julia Duffy. If you like what we're doing, share it, reach out to me, comment. Me and my team, this is all we do. We're the hookup, we're embedded like no other. We have a team that can help you out, make that smooth transition, that smooth move. Wherever you're coming from, we want to welcome you to the DFW area, my fair city of Fort Worth, my fair area of North Texas, DFW area. So if you're moving in 1 day, if you're moving in 100 days, just get in touch with us. We're the hookup. Email, text, phone, whatever you got to do. We're here to help you. It would be our pleasure and certainly our honor. So just reach out to us and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.